everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNiCE Hair for sponsoring this video today and sending me over this gorgeous wig, this glueless, pre-bleached, pre-cut ensemble. Okay, it is absolutely stunning. The quality is top tier, you guys. Yes, your eyes are not fooling you. This is a number. She is a showstopper. She's so thick and full. The quality on this hair, you guys, is just everything. The baby hairs were included. I didn't even have to cut these baby hairs. If you guys want to see me install this wig and show you all the goodies that come with this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this video. Hey everybody, we are back with a UNiCE hair review. Inside the box, it will be full of goodies. You'll get a little baggie with a makeup brush, some lashes, a edge wrap, and some wig caps. Also, a satin bag to store your wig. You need one of these because you don't want your wig getting all tangled up and knotted and all that. Use one of these, okay? Also, some more lashes, some more wig caps, and you'll also get one of these UNiCE double wide mirrors. Very, very cute. Lastly is the wig. We have a body wave. This is a 24-inch body wave. It's a 7x5 closure wig. All right, so here is the wig out of the package, looking beautiful, feeling soft. Here's a close-up on the ends. Also, here is the lace. The lace looks really, really good. It is pre-plucked, pre-cut, and the knots are bleached. And as you can see, you already got some baby hairs. So this is a ready-to-wear wig. I should be able to put this just right on. Blends very, very well. The knots look so good. So yes, the inside of the wig looks like this. It's 7 inches across here and then 5 inches deep. It is a breathable cap, as you can see. You have an adjustable elastic band and then the little grip strip that also is flexible to fit your head nice and comfortably. So it looks really, really good. 3 combs as well. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and style it. I might put some more body waves in it as well, but it looks really, really good. The density is really nice. I'll have the density of this wig in the description box below, but it's nice and thick and the ends look so good. So I'm very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and install this real quick and then I'll be back with my final thought. This is pretty. All right, you guys, so I have installed the wig and styled it. Let's first just talk about the quality of this hair. This hair is just so full and luscious and bouncy. I love it. I love this jet black. I love that it's full all the way down to the ends. The ends look really, really good. It curled really nicely with my wand. Oh, I can just run my hands through it. It's not tangling at all. I just feel like that girl. It just looks expensive. This hair looks good and expensive. I will have the price of this wig right here so you guys can check that out. So it is a body wave. It's a 7x5 and it came pre-plucked, pre-cut, and the knots were bleached as well. This is glueless, as you can see. No glue at all. No glue, you guys. So it's a nice and easy glueless wig. You don't have to worry about any glue, spray, wig bond, none of that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Also, this wig is 24 inches, if I didn't mention that. It's body wave, and it already came with baby hairs, y'all. I did not have to cut these baby hairs. I just slicked them down with a little bit of gel. And that's it. The hair looks absolutely phenomenal. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Thank you guys for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.